In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, hit Add menu icon and select Settings. Then on Settings, tap Add Notifications, and that's where you can easily find that pause all feature. That's actually quiet mode. As you can see, it is active now, and while the quiet mode is active, you won't be able to get any notifications from Instagram app until you open it up. In order to turn it off, just hit that button, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.